Friends, hello everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you to this channel. And in today's video I will show you, as well as tell you how you can easily install the TikTok application on iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put your likes under the video, and also write your comments. And let us get started with you. First of all, in order to install this app, you'll need to go to the App Store, which is called the App Store. You can find this app on any iPhone. If you can't find it on the iPhone's work screen, like I did, then swipe down from the top of the screen. And you just type the word App Store into the search box. And as you see this app, it appears at the top. Tap on it to open it. Now dot on the right-hand side. At the bottom, click on Search Options, then type in the word TikTok. And now open that app. And friends, where I have it now saying Open, you will have it say Install. Click on that function, and you'll see it instantly install on your iPhone. If you have any passwords, let's say you need to keep your phone password, or your Face ID password, or your Apple ID password, for example, then enter that password, and the download will start immediately. Once the download is complete, which lasts no more than 1.5 minutes, you can open the app and use it directly from the App Store. Or close the App Store and find the TikTok app on your desktop. Friends, this is the way you can install TikTok app on your iPhone quickly and easily. I hope you found this information helpful and useful. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to write your comments and also put likes under the video. And see you soon.